Imagination Station. I'm so glad to see you here. I can't even imagine all the discoveries we'll make today. But you know what comes first, right? I just have to ask, did you bring your imagination today? Uh-oh, looks like some of you forgot again. And we're going to need a bunch of imagination today. That's why I had a chat with my friend Sierra. You've met Sierra, haven't you? Sierra the mountain lion? Well, Sierra told me something amazing about herself and her mountain lion friends. Mountain lions like Sierra can leap up to 15 feet in the air. That's higher than most ceilings. Let's see if we can do that. Everybody hop up. And on the count of 3, let's see how high we can jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, well, I don't think any of us jumped as high as 15 feet. Let's try one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That was fun, but I don't think we'll ever be able to match Sierra, without a trampoline, that is. Sierra and her mountain lion friends are so cool. Which do you think is stronger in a mountain lion? Do they have a stronger sense of smell or a stronger sense of hearing? Think about your answer. Ready? Okay, let's get that drum roll going so I can reveal the amazing answer. And the answer is mountain lions have a weak sense of smell, but they have an extremely sensitive and powerful sense of hearing. Imagine that! Speaking of power, today we're discovering that Jesus' power helps us be bold. Trust Jesus. Sometimes we may not feel very bold, especially when it comes to sharing our faith in Jesus. You've probably heard the phrase, practice makes perfect, right? Well, we'll never be perfect, but practice can help us be bold. It's kind of like this. You take one little step, like praying before lunch at school. Maybe someone asks you why you do that. So you take the next little step and say, you're thanking God for your food. Then maybe you take another little step. Say that you're really thankful to God for sending Jesus, and so on, and so on, and so on. Each bold step makes the next step a little easier. It's a matter of momentum. Let me show you what I mean. This chain by itself isn't very bold. It just sits in the bucket. That's kind of like our lives without Jesus. We can't do a whole lot on our own, just like this chain can't do anything on its own. But when we have Jesus in our lives, his power helps us. Jesus' power helps us be bold. Trust Jesus. Now, watch what happens when we add the unexpected power of momentum to the chain. Wow! Did you see that? The power of momentum made the chain boldly jump out of the bucket. Wow! When we have Jesus in our lives, he can help us be bolder than we ever thought possible. Now it's time to introduce today's sciencey fun gizmo. Behold, the Bold Blaster. Let's see what it can do. Well, that was kind of a dud. Let's try again. This Bold Blaster sure isn't very bold. Something must be missing. I'm going to add the power pack. That should help the Bold Blaster be bold. Let's see what happens. Put your arm out totally level and... Wow! All right, now it's your turn to try it. Pull out your Bold Blaster kit and lay it out. You should have 2 pieces. The green tube and the green straw with the red rubber ball. To assemble, hold the red rubber ball and place the green tube over the straw. To drop, Hold your arm out straight and level. Wow! Now it's your turn to try out your Bold Blaster. Does it matter which way you attach the power pack? Can you get your Bold Blaster to jump as high as Sierra the Mountain Lion? When you play with your Bold Blaster, remember, with Jesus, our boldness can reach new heights. Jesus' power helps us be bold. Trust Jesus. Take a few minutes to play with your Bold Blaster. And when it's time to come back, you'll hear the train whistle. Have fun! Well, believe it or not, we've come to the end of our time at Imagination Station. Take your Bold Blaster and put it inside of a baggie so you don't lose any of the pieces. If you have a Try This at Home sticker, it will help you to remember today's point, that Jesus' power helps us be bold. Trust Jesus. All right, well, we will see you back here next time at Imagination Station.